Okay guys, the lotion that came to, I used the pink rose color, and I'm just pre-using these honey jars. So now I'm just starting to bag it up, put it into the honey jar. I recycle. So when I'm doing it for like family members, I recycle jars and stuff like that. So this one is going into a honey jar, and oh my god, it smells so amazing. So I let it sit into the freezer for maybe about an hour, and then I broke it up and put the fragrance oil in, and then I blended and I put my cosmetic coloring in to give it this color. And this is your homemade fragrance lotion. So hers is all nice and beautiful. So and it smells so amazing, guys. It smells really amazing. I love making my own lotions and stuff because it just, any fragrance you can match, so it is amazing. And then the moisture that goes in it, so I don't want to get the oil all on this jar. And this is another mason jar. I got this one from Joann's, and I just fill up the rest, and then I'll take a nice dry cloth and clean it with alcohol to get all the residue oil off, and then I put it in the mail. In the summertime, I don't mail these off when it's extremely hot, because sometimes it can sit in the mailbox. By the time they get it, it'll turn into a liquid. So in the summer months, I don't mail these off when it's extremely hot. So I wait till the weather is a little bit better. Like if it's really extremely hot and humid, I don't mail the lotions off, because by the time they get it, it'll been turned back into an oil. So that's the thing. If you make lotion, and if you're going to be making it for family members and friends, don't mail it off to them when it is extremely hot, because they're going to have that problem. They're going to be like, oh my God, I got my lotion today. And they're going to be really upset. They're going to be like, it was so oily. And the humidity, when the humidity is that hot, it's not going to work out. But I think I put too much in here. Gotta take a little bit off. So you gotta be able to close the top. So don't over full it. But it's a pretty peachy color. It is gorgeous. So I'm gonna have to clean them off because my hands is really oily right about now. But that would be how you make it, guys. And when you leave it in the freezer, try not to leave it over an hour, because the longer you leave it, the longer it's going to be, the harder it is going to be to blend it. So try not to leave it in the freezer too long, because the longer you leave it, the harder it's going to be to break it up. So, but this would be how you would make designer lotion at home. And you can make it with whatever oils you like, but I like coconut oil and shea butter. And once I get another rag with alcohol and dry those off. But there we go, homemade lotion at home. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.